A single missed call today is not just a notification, it is a direct leak in a company's revenue stream. In a competitive market, being slow to respond is often the primary reason growth stops. When 20 customers text at once or a lead calls at 2 a.m., traditional communication systems fail. Now, over 90,000 businesses are using an AI-powered platform called Quo to save significant time every month and turn every ring into revenue. This video is in partnership with Quo, formerly known as OpenPhone. It is the same company and product I've used for years, just with a fresh name and powerful new AI features. Signing up for Quo using the link in the description is the best way to support the channel. It provides a 7-day free trial and saves you 20% off your first 3 months. This is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much, and now let's get started. The impossible problem, the high cost of manual management. The primary challenge for small businesses is balancing professional service and timely communication with a limited headcount. Managing business calls on a personal device destroys work-life balance and leads to confusion. Some owners try carrying 2 separate phones, but it is clunky and unprofessional. The manual alternative is a massive source of inefficiency. Logging calls and updating databases while handling clients is prone to error and causes significant delays. Without an automated system, a small team becomes overwhelmed, leaving calls unanswered and opportunities lost. Staying responsive 24/7 is impossible without a system that functions as an intelligent assistant, especially when a business thrives on speed to lead. This persistent divide between manual effort and the need for an instant response is where most small business growth stops. Enter Quo. Bridging this gap requires a system that functions as an intelligent assistant rather than a simple dialer. Quo is an AI-powered phone system that unifies calls, texts, and contacts into a single cloud-based platform. The company recently raised $105 million in growth funding to build tools that help teams stay aligned and respond faster. Building this revenue engine begins with solving the single most common point of failure, the missed call. Strategy 1. The always-on AI receptionist. The first strategy for turning calls into revenue is ensuring no call goes unanswered. Quo utilizes an AI receptionist named Sona that handles calls 24/7. Unlike traditional voicemail, which often serves as a dead end, this AI receptionist greets callers, answers questions, and qualifies leads at a fraction of the cost of a human answering service. 24/7 availability. Sona answers calls when the team is unavailable, ensuring every incoming call is handled promptly. Instant FAQ handling. If customers frequently ask about hours, pricing, or services, Sona provides instant answers, reducing human intervention. Lead qualification. The system can be customized to ask specific questions of new leads, ensuring the team has names, addresses, and reasons for calling before following up. Smart call transfers. When a caller requires a real person, Sona transfers them to the correct teammate or department. Automated SMS follow-up. While the caller is still on the line, Sona can share scheduling links or forms via SMS, moving the customer to the next step of the sales process. This technology allows organizations to support dozens of phone lines with a minimal number of agents without overwhelming the staff. Strategy 2. Collaborative shared inboxes. Revenue is lost when a team is unaligned. If multiple people attempt to reply to the same text, or if a lead's follow-up is delayed because the recipient is out of the office, the professional image of the business suffers. Quo addresses this through shared numbers and a unified inbox. Unified conversations. Everyone on the team knows who is responding and what has been said, which prevents duplicate replies. Internal threads. Teammates collaborate behind the scenes using internal threads, tags, and notes within the conversation history. Visibility into responses. In a shared inbox, the team can see who is responding to texts and jump in where needed. Ring orders. Businesses control how calls reach the team by ringing specific people first, trying groups in order, or ringing everyone simultaneously for the fastest possible response. Having someone available to take information even after hours reassures customers that their concerns are being noted and addressed promptly. Strategy 3. Real-time oversight and analytics. Small businesses can only improve what is measured. Turning communication data into actionable insights is critical for finding patterns that boost customer satisfaction. Quo provides an analytics and oversight dashboard on business and scale plans that offers real-time visibility into every conversation. AI call summaries. AI-powered summaries and transcripts allow managers to understand what happened on a call without listening to the entire recording. Usage trends. High-level dashboards track call and message volume, allowing businesses to see when busiest hours hit and adjust staffing. Teammate activity tracking. Individual activity metrics allow for oversight into how teammates handle their volume. Custom filtering. Dedicated call views with filters help teams quickly find specific calls and streamline follow-ups. Quality monitoring. Managers review conversations and leave feedback directly in the platform to guide the team. To illustrate an example, a service business might realize most missed calls happen between 12 and 2 p.m. Not because the team is lazy, but because everyone's in the field. That insight alone can justify routing calls to Sona or changing ring order. This visibility ensures that high-level trends across calls and texts are understood and properly managed, allowing the business to focus on what works. Strategy 4. Automatic syncing and workflow integration. Manual data entry is a source of administrative waste. To maximize revenue, a phone system must integrate directly with the existing tech stack to sync contacts and automate workflows. Quo connects with major customer databases and automation tools to keep data in sync. CRM syncing. Every call and text can sync to a central customer database with full context, eliminating manual logging. Workflow automation. By connecting to thousands of other apps through automation platforms, businesses trigger actions based on call events. Real-time notifications. Webhooks send real-time notifications of events occurring in the phone workspace to other applications. Custom connections. The Quo API allows for the creation of custom integrations that fit specific business processes. Contact management. Contact details automatically flow into the system when a customer calls, allowing the team to update records and keep jobs moving. Integrating with the existing tech stack turns communication data into actionable insights that keep the business pipeline moving. Tiered features for scaling. Quo is currently rated as the #1 business phone for customer satisfaction on G2, maintaining a 4.7 star rating. The system is designed for startups and small businesses to scale with confidence. When billed annually, the plans include Starter, $15 per user per month, includes one phone number, voicemail transcripts, Quo API, and Sona. Business, $23 per user per month, adds AI call summaries, CRM integrations, HubSpot, Salesforce, and analytics. Then we got Scale, $35 per user per month, adds AI call tags, dedicated onboarding, and priority support. All tiers include 1,000 free automation credits per month, which equals about 10 Sona-handled calls. Quo provides the infrastructure to turn every phone interaction into a measurable business asset while maintaining a good rating for customer satisfaction. By eliminating manual logging and dead-end voicemails, teams save significant time and reduce manual work to ensure no revenue opportunity is ignored. To start recapturing leads and automating your interactions, click the link in the description for a 7-day free trial. Using my link also saves you 20% off your first 3 months, helping you scale your business professional communication while supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. I've used Quo for years because it is simple, reliable, and provides the clear, organized system a growing business needs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.